Quick review from Ultimate DIY. The pants that I like to wear as a handyman are called rigs made by Wrangler. They're these right here. I've wore these now for the last probably 3 or 4 years. I love them. They hold up really well in everything from doing concrete work, basic carpentry, plumbing. I mean, you name it, they work really well. So one of the things I do like, they have a loop on them like this right here where you can hang a hammer or something from. All of the pockets have this double stitching on it, so if you're going to clip something in your pocket, you don't have to worry about it wearing out real quick. And my favorite is the leather patch. The leather patch works great, just like what I have on here. I can actually hang my tape measure. So everything in it is stitched and double stitched. If you look, it's got a triple stitch going all the way down the center and all the way through the crotch area as well. And they put little reliefs. You can see them right here. They have a relief so that if you're doing a lot of bending and stretching, you don't rip this area out. So these will generally last me anywhere from 6 months to a year. Prepare some of them even longer, just depending on the jobs that I have going on. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give these a 5. And the only reason I'd only give it a 5 is because I can't give it a 6. Do yourself a favor and order yourself a pair of the Riggs workwear jeans.